Hi guys, welcome back to Get Free with Annie. That's me. I'm Annie. My channel is all about ways to get free. Time freedom is the main thing. Financial freedom just follows that. So time freedom is the most important. You can always make more money, but you can't make more time. So time freedom is when you don't have to trade your hour for a dollar amount of someone else's choosing. And that comes when you are financially free. So I wish that there would have been a place, a channel that I could have gone to find information and honest reviews about the best and worst courses to help me to get free through online marketing, digital marketing, and passive income. So that's what I want this channel to be for you guys. I hope it helps you make decisions on what the best way for you is to get free. And let's get free together. Let's go. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another review with Get Free with Annie. That's me. I'm Annie. Let's jump right into this review. What is it? AMZDFY. It's basically Amazon done for you. So it's a done for you Amazon FBA business and mentorship program. It's created by Kevin David, who's that guy, and David Arnett. Kevin David is also the creator of FBA Ninja, which is basically the same business model, but you have to learn how to do it all yourself. And David Arnett is a successful Amazon marketer. What's different about it? It's completely done for you. All you have to really do is get traffic. David and Kevin basically run your business for you, but you have to give them a percentage of your profits every month. So you're basically becoming a business partner or employee of Kevin and David's, and they will not accept you as a partner into their program unless you can afford the payment and working capital outright, because it is very expensive and they are pretty upfront about that, and the fact that they do not give refunds, that it's a lot of money and you need to have that money available and liquid. What else? There's no sales page. You have to do an online application to see what the prices are. Kevin and David need you in order to be able to scale their own business. Any one person is only allowed 2 Amazon seller accounts, which means they can only tackle a few niches. The more people they have doing this business with them, the more money they make as well, since they receive 30% of all your profit. What's included? Basically finding which products will sell. That's done for you. Negotiating costs. That's done for you. Paying Amazon fees. That's done for you. Keeping an inventory. That's done for you. Shipping the products. That's done for you. And getting good feedback. That's done for you. The only thing that you really have to do yourself is get the traffic. So how does it work? The AMZDFY team builds an Amazon FBA business for you. They recommend the products to sell. They look for the suppliers who will deliver quality products. They negotiate the costs. Then you buy the product yourself. You store the product at Kevin and David's warehouse. When someone buys a product, they ship it from their warehouse to that person. Then you get 70% of that profit and Kevin and David get 30%. They pay the Amazon fees for you and they get you positive reviews. So that's how it works. Who is this course for? Individual Amazon sellers or small businesses who want a completely done for you Amazon business and have a lot of working capital. Amazon sellers looking to scale their existing business. Anyone who has a lot of capital available to basically buy an Amazon business in a box. Anyone who has $40,000 burning a hole in your pocket and you want someone to completely set up an Amazon FBA business for you that you can then run on autopilot, then this is for you. Who is this not for? Anyone who doesn't have minimum $7,000 to invest. $5,000 is their lowest price program and you need at least $2,000 for products to start out with. If you don't have that kind of capital, this is not for you. Anyone who likes being in control of their own business and keeping 100% of the profits, this is not for you. because you're a partner with them. You have to give them 30% of your profits. You don't ever really own your entire business. Pros. Kevin David is an experienced and well-known online entrepreneur. And since Kevin and David do get a cut of your profits, they are more likely to help you become successful. Cons. It is so overpriced, it is almost ridiculous. Some of Kevin David's reviews seem fake, very cookie cutter and not detailed, like they may have been paid for. I'm not sure. You only get to keep 70% of your profits. You are the one who has to shell out money to buy the product first, so if you don't sell them, you are out that money, so you're basically taking all the risk. Amazon already has pretty thin profit margins. Other students are going to be recommended the same products to sell, so it may become slightly saturated. Amazon FBA is a tough business model in general. Testimonials and other reviews. There's a lot of testimonials and reviews about Kevin David himself. He has over 1 million subscribers on YouTube, and he's a pretty trusted entrepreneur. There are some negative reviews about this program only due to the very high cost, but none from anyone who seems to have actually taken it. There are positive testimonials on the sales page, but none found otherwise. What does it cost? Packages start at $5,000. The middle package is $10,000. And the packages go all the way up to $40,000. You also need working capital to buy the products. And on their sales page, they talk about having $10,000 in working capital to buy products. You also have to give them 30% of your profits every month. Are there guarantees or refunds? No, there are no guarantees. And there are no refunds. So if you are thinking about shelling out $5,000 to $40,000, keep that in mind. You better be sure that you are going to make this work because there are no refunds. Final thoughts. This would be a really great mentorship for anyone who is a super lazy entrepreneur and just wants to basically buy an online business and have it ran for you, who has a ton of capital and you're just looking for an online business that's easy and basically is ran for you. I don't think that this is a scam course. A lot of people say it is because of how expensive it is. The price is ridiculous, but it is a legitimate business that can make you money after you've been working it for a while. Amazon FBA can be very lucrative for a lot of people. However, it can also be a business where you make no money at all. That's the thing about businesses. There's no real guarantee. So $40,000, $10,000, $5,000, that's a lot of money to just shell out with no real guarantee. You can buy a good Amazon FBA course for around $500 and spend a couple thousand on products to get started and just do things yourself. Then if you fail, you're only out maybe $2,500 instead of $5,000 or $40,000. My final verdict, I do not recommend this course only because of the price. The $5,000 program might be worth it if it was the highest level package they offered with literally everything done for you and automated, but it's not. That's the $40,000 package, and that is just crazy. Who has $40,000 just lying around? If you have $40,000 lying around, I suggest using it to take multiple courses available on online marketing. You could take a whole year's worth of courses and become an expert in every facet of internet marketing, and you would still probably have $30,000 to $20,000 left. So then I recommend putting that $20,000 in a high yield mutual fund or a 401k and going on a long vacation to Tahiti, because after a year of learning and taking courses and spending that much money, you deserve it. That's my review. I hope it helps you make the right decision for you on how to get free, and we'll see you next time.